How to insert image in Excel cell. So if you want to insert image in Excel cell, then what you need to do is first make sure that you've adjusted your Excel cells. Now what you need to do is just simply go with the space in which you would like to add the image. Go with insert, and here you will have shapes. Just go with shapes and then select the shape. After selecting, you can just simply adjust it. Adjust the shape with your cell. Once you've adjusted, now here you will have insert image. But if you don't find the insert image option, then before inserting shape, you need to hold down the alt key and then insert the shape, and it will fill that whole cell. It will be easy for you. And now again, go with insert, and here you will have pictures. Go with pictures and then go with place in the cell or place over the cell. You can choose any one of these options. Go with this device and select the image. So in my case, I don't have any images, so I'll just simply go and download some image. Once you've downloaded, you can go with this device and then select the downloaded image, or select the image where you have downloaded and then go with insert. Make sure you've selected place over the cells, or if that doesn't work for you, then you need to right click on that, and here you will have fill option. Just go with fill, and under fill you will have picture. Go with picture, and you can insert it from file on your computer. Select the image, go with insert, and it has been inserted. In the same way, you can add many more images. So that's how you can insert an image on your Excel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.